In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix crashing and freezing OBS Studio. If OBS keeps stuttering, locking up, or closing unexpectedly, work through these fixes in order and test after each change. First, make sure you're on the latest version of OBS. Updates include stability patches and compatibility fixes that solve many crashes. Head to the official OBS website or the in-app updater, install the newest build, then fully quit and relaunch OBS so the update takes effect. Next, try running OBS as an administrator on Windows. Right-click the OBS shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This lets OBS access high-priority system resources and can prevent freezes when other apps compete for your GPU or encoder. Keep your graphics drivers up to date. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a top cause of freezing and black screens. Visit your GPU manufacturer's support page, download the current driver for your model, install it, and restart your system if prompted. Inside OBS, open File, then Settings, then Advanced, and turn off hardware acceleration for sources. Hardware acceleration can speed things up, but if your GPU is near its limit, it can also trigger stutters or hangs. Disabling it shifts some work back to the CPU and often smooths out performance with browser or video sources. Now simplify your scenes. Remove any sources you don't actively use, especially extra browser sources, animated widgets, or duplicate captures. Even when they aren't visible, some sources still consume resources. Fewer, leaner sources mean less load on your GPU and encoder. If you still see issues, lower your stream load. In Settings under Output, reduce your bitrate in small steps and test. High bit rates can choke weaker connections or encoders. Also consider lowering your frame rate to 30 and your resolution to 720p in the video settings if needed. Reducing these targets makes encoding easier and is a common, reliable fix for freezing. Disable overlays and third-party plugins temporarily. Game overlays, monitoring tools, or outdated OBS plugins can conflict with capture hooks and encoders. Close overlays before launching OBS and move non-essential plugins out of your OBS plugins folder to test. If performance improves, reintroduce items one by one and update any that cause trouble. Finally, check the logs. Go to Help Log Files, upload current log file. The analyzer highlights common problems like driver crashes, encoder errors, or misconfigurations and points you to specific culprits. Work through these changes patiently, testing after each one. By isolating the cause, you'll restore a stable, smooth OBS experience without guesswork. Happy streaming!